Hello friends, how are you? Welcome to the Elliott Wave. So let's start today crypto analysis with BTC USD. In BTC, we count this structure channel based impulsive move as a brown wave 1. After this brown wave 1, we are looking for this correction as a W, X, A, B and C towards the 50, the medium number. So now market give us this structure after this green wave X as a wave A. Now wave B is in play as a B and C towards the 80. So how we join the next bullish or bearish move? For the bearish side, we need to wait for this move as a brown wave C to complete. Then we need to wait for the proper impulsive move towards this wave B like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 arrival reaction first low below level A, B and C, or we can go directly with this low and A, B and C because of this move. Below 65 market already give us the arrival or first low below level. Now we are looking for this move as a B and C arrival reaction first low below level A, B and C. Then we will go towards the very side with this wave B. In lower time frame, in 1 hour time frame or 4 hour time frame, we can go with the next impulsive move towards the 75 or 70. Then we will go towards the 65 and then 60. Step by step we can join this wave 1, wave 3 and wave 5 in lower time frame. So let's check another possibility. For the another possibility that's also possible, we can count this whole structure as a corrective pattern like wave. Okay, let's check the wave 1, 2, wave A, B, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, we can count this structure as a corrective pattern as a wave 2. If this is the wave 2, then we will go towards the bullish side, but this pattern more look like the corrective pattern and channel based pattern. We can count the structure like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 leading diagonal. Like if market gives us this high, then A, B and C, then classic trading level pattern above this 80. Then we will go towards the 90 and 100. But as of now, we are looking for the bearish move and bearish possibility below this wave B. So if market cross this wave B and give us the classic trading level pattern in lower time frame in 4 hour, like if market give us the pattern again at wave B like arrival reaction first low below level A, B and C, then we will go towards the next point. Market give us the pattern at this point, arrival reaction first low below level A, B and C. Market go towards the next point. Again at this point, market give us the pattern. Now also we are looking for this pattern to go towards the 50. So let's check the possibility in 1 hour time frame how we join the next move. So in 1 hour time frame, we count this structure after this black wave A. Now we are looking for this move as a black wave B of this brown wave 2. So we count this move as a leading diagonal. We can count this move as a B, C or W, X and Y. We can count this move as a W, then X and then wave Y towards the 80 or above this point. So after this brown wave B, we count this move as a wave 1, wave 2, green wave 3, green wave 4 may complete it at this point or still is in play. So if we want to go towards the bullish side, we can go with the classic trading level pattern at this point. Market give us the arrival above the 75. Let's check the number. Okay, at 676. So market give us the first high above level. Market give us the pattern number 3. In pattern number 3, market not stop at the level directly creates high. So market creates high, give us the A, B and C. Now we need to wait for the proper impulsive move with next high line. At this point we need to wait for this correction A, B and C. Then we can go directly with this wave B towards the 76.5, 77 and 78. If 78 give us the pattern, then we will go towards the 80 as a green wave 5. We need to check the pattern in 5 minute or 15-minute time frame. Otherwise, we can count this move as a B, then wave C, D and E sideways. That's possible. This move may give us the triangle pattern of this green wave 4. If this is the triangle, we need to wait for this triangle to complete. First high above level A, B and C. Like if this is the triangle, we need to wait for this move as A, B, C, D and E. Then first high above level A, B and C. Then we will go towards the 78 or 80. So if market give us the impulsive move towards the bearish side, if market give us this move as a 1, 2 or directly give us this low as a 3, 4, 5, then we will go towards the bearish side with the classic trading level pattern. So as of now, in lower time frame, we are looking for the bullish move towards the 80, the next strong and larger number. So at this point, we can go directly with this high towards the bullish side with this stop loss, but we need to refine our entry and we need to refine our stop loss with proper classic trading level pattern at this point. In 5 minute or 15-minute time frame, if we check in 5 minute, so okay, at this point we count this move at 75. Market cross this 75, creates high A, B and C. That's possible. This correction may complete it. We can go with this stop loss towards the bullish side, but we need to refine our entry with this complete correction. That's possible. We count this move as A, B and C. Then next impulsive move, then A, B and C towards the bullish side, or this is the wave 1. Then we need to wait for these A, B and C. Then we will go towards the bullish side with this stop loss. At this point after the entry with this wave B, we can go directly with this stop loss, or from this point to this point we need to shift after the entry point. So we need to refine our entry and refine our stop in lower time frame. Otherwise, that's possible. Market may give us this move towards the triangle pattern. So let's check our next pair, Ethereum. So in this pair, we count this structure after this brown wave 1 as a wave A, wave B. Now we are looking for this move as a wave C. Or we can count differently with respect to the rules and guidelines of Elliott Wave theory. If we want to go like this brown wave 1 at this point, then we can count this move as a wave 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, wave A, wave B and wave C, or W, X and Y. We can count differently, but we need to check the previous pattern and previous move. So at this point, we count this structure as a green wave B at this point, then wave 1, wave 2, wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of this black wave 3. So after this black wave 3, now we are looking for this move as a black wave 4. Market not give us the confirmed pattern for the bearish side with proper classic trading level pattern. Market go directly towards the 23 and now 24. So that's possible. Market may go towards the 25, the medium number at this point. So if market give us the pattern after this 25, like now we need to wait for the impulsive move, then A, B and C to go towards the bearish side. We can go directly with this wave X towards the bearish side. Market give us the pattern at 2000. Pattern number 3. Market not stop at the level, directly creates low, then A, B and C as a WXY. So now we can go directly with this point towards the bearish side. But we need to refine our entry from this point to this low, impulsive move in lower time frame, 4 hour or 1 hour time frame, from this low to this wave B. Or in 1 hour time frame, again market will give us this impulsive move and A, B and C. Then we need to shift from this point to inner wave B. So at this point in Ethereum, we are looking for the next impulsive move, then A, B and C. Then we will go towards the bearish side. So let's check the possibility in 1 hour time frame. So in 1 hour time frame, we count this structure after this black wave 3 as a B, C, brown wave W, then brown wave X. After this wave X, market give us the overlapping waves, overlapping move. So we count this move as a B, C, W, then X at this point. Now we are looking for the bullish move towards the 25. So in lower time frame, in 5 minute or 15-minute time frame, we can go 24 to 25. Like market give us the arrival, a reaction. Now we need to wait for first high above level above this 24 with proper impulsive move. If market give us this move as a leading diagonal or impulsive move above this 24, then A, B and C. Then we will go towards the 24, 50 and 25 as a green wave Y of brown wave Y as a black wave 4. So now we need to wait for the proper classic trading level pattern. Market already creates high, or we can count this move as arrival, a reaction, first high above level. Now we need to wait for the impulsive move, then A, B and C. Then we will go towards the bullish side. So let's check the classic trading level pattern for the bullish side. So at this point market give us the arrival at 24. Then market give us the A, B and C reaction. Now we need to wait for the first high above level with impulsive move above this 24. Then we need to wait for the A, B and C. Then we will go towards the bullish side with this wave B. Or in lower time frame, 5 minute or 15-minute time frame, we can go again with next impulsive move at this point, or we can shift our entry from this high to inner wave B in lower time frame. For the bullish side, if you want to go towards the bullish side, we need to wait for the classic trading level pattern at 24 to go towards the 25. After this 25, if market give us the pattern at like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 towards the 22, 22 belongs to group 1. Arrival, reaction, fast low below level A, B and C. Then we will go towards the bearish side. Or if market give us the direct classic trading level pattern or direct impulsive move, then we can shift this point as a wave 4, like wave X at this point, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 leading diagonal A, B and C as a Y. We can count differently with respect to the rules and guidelines of Elliott Wave theory. But we need to refine our entry and we need to go towards the bearish side with proper impulsive move like 1, 2, wave 3, 4, 5 and classic trading level pattern. So if market give us this impulsive move and A, B and C, then we will go towards the 21 and 2000 step by step. So let's check our next pair XRP. So in XRP, we count this structure as a wave 1, W, X and Y, or we can count this structure as a flat pattern A, B and C. Now we are looking for the bearish move as a B, C, W, then X, A, B and C. Now we count this move as a 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, wave 4. Still is in play as a triangle. We count this structure as a B, C, D and E. Let's apply the triangle at this point and remove from 4 hour. Okay. So we count this structure as a wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4 is in play. So how we join the next bearish move? We need to wait for this wave B to cross or this wave D to cross with proper impulsive move in lower time frame, then A, B and C. Then we will go towards the next point, or we can go With Elliott wave pattern, like we can go with this wave D, like after this wave E. If market cross this point, then we can go directly with this wave to go towards the bearish side. But we need to refine our entry from this point to inner wave B with impulsive move. Like after this impulsive move, if market give us the A, B and C, then we will go towards the 1 point and then 0.8 step by step with this stop loss. So now we need to wait for the proper impulsive move to go towards the bearish side. If market cross this point, then market will give us a deep correction towards the 1.8. Then we change our count as a WXY or as a wave A, wave B and wave C. So let's check the possibility in 1 hour time frame. So in 1 hour time frame, we count this structure as a wave A. After this brown wave 3, wave A, wave B, wave C, wave D and wave E is in play. So at this point, let's check the inner count of this wave E. So market give us this move as a wave A, wave B, 1, 2, 3, 4. So now we need to wait for this high, then next impulsive move. Or that's also possible, market may give us the impulsive move like 1, 2, 3 or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, A, B and C. Then we will go towards the bearish side with this wave B. We need to refine our entry from this point to this low to inner wave B. In lower time frame, in 5 minute or 15-minute time frame, if market give us this impulsive move like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and classic trading level pattern, then we can go from 1.4 to 1.35 and 1.3 step by step. If market give us the classic trading level pattern at 1.3, then we can go from 1.35 to 1.3 step by step. We need to wait for the classic trading level pattern. You can check the classic trading level pattern in 5 minute time frame. Market give us the pattern at this point. At this point, market go in any direction with classic trading level pattern in 5 minute, 15 minute or 1 minute time frame. You can check classic trading level pattern in any time frame. So let's check our next pair SOL USD Solana in daily time frame and in lower time frame. So in this pair, we count this structure after this black wave 1 as a wave A, wave B. Now we are looking for this move as a wave C. So we count this structure as a wave 1, wave 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of this green wave 3, green wave 4. Now we are looking for this move as a green wave 5. We count this structure as a 1, 2, 3, 4 and wave 5. So after this black wave 4, we are looking for this move as a leading diagonal, then A, B and C. Now we can go directly with this wave B towards the bearish side. We need to wait for the impulsive move in lower time frame and A, B and C to go towards the bearish side, or we can go directly with this wave B towards the bearish side. But we need to refine our entry in lower time frame. So let's check alternative count. We can count this move as a A, B, C, D and E. Like that's possible. Market may give us this move as a D and E, then market will go towards the bearish side. So we need to wait for the proper impulsive move and classic trading level pattern at this point to go towards the bearish side. So let's check the possibility in 1 hour time frame. So in 1 hour time frame, after this black wave 3, we count this structure as a A, B and C as a black wave 4, or we can count this move as a WXY or as a A, B, C, D and E. That's possible. This pattern, this black wave 4 still is in play as a triangle like this. We can count differently with respect to rules and guidelines of Elliott wave theory like A, B, C, D and E. If this is the case, if this wave 4 still is in play, then we need to wait for this pattern to complete, then next impulsive move. In both cases, as a triangle or as a wave 1 and 2, we need to wait for the proper impulsive move and classic trading level pattern. Like if this is the wave 4 or wave 2, we need to wait for proper impulsive move like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, arrival, reaction, first low below level A, B and C, then we will go towards the very side. Or we can go from this point with this wave X to this low to inner wave B. We can go directly after this impulsive move. We need to wait for this impulsive move. Then we can go with this low after this correction, or we need to refine our entry from this point to this inner wave B in lower time frame in 1 hour or 15-minute time frame. So in this pair, we need to wait for the proper impulsive move and its correction to go towards the bearish side. At 80, at this point, 80 belongs to the strong and larger number. So let's check our next pair, ADA USD Cardano. So in this pair, let's go quickly last two pairs, ADA and Dogecoin. We count this structure as a wave 1, wave 2, wave 1 and wave 2. Now we are looking for this brown wave 3. So market give us this structure as a wave 1, wave 2, then wave 3. So we count this move as a black wave 1, black wave 2, black wave 3 and black wave 4. Now we are looking for the bearish move. If market give us this low with proper impulsive move after this black wave 4, we count this structure as a leading diagonal like wave 1, wave 2, wave 1 and wave 2. Now we can go directly with this wave B towards the bearish side or this inner move with bearish side, but we need to refine our entry and we need to wait for the proper impulsive move in lower time frame to go towards the bearish side. Otherwise, that's possible. Market may give us this move as a wave B and wave C. Then market will go towards the bearish side. At this point, market give us the classic trading level pattern, but market not give us the proper impulsive move interconnected waves like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or wave 1, wave 2, 1 and wave 2. Not proper impulsive move. So at this point, if we want to go towards the bearish side, we need to refine our entry. We can go directly with this point towards the bearish side with this stop loss. In lower time frame, if we want to go towards the bearish side, we need to wait for the impulsive move A, B and C. We need to refine our entry from this point to this point. We need to wait for the proper impulsive move. We need to check the rules and guidelines of Elliott wave theory. Otherwise, that's possible. This wave 4 still is in play as a B, C, D and E. So in this pair, market not give us the proper impulsive move interconnected waves as a WX and Y or as a triangle pattern. So let's check the possibility in 1 hour time frame. So in ADA USD Cardano in 1 hour time frame, after this black wave 3, we count this move as a black 4 at this point. Then market give us this move after this black wave 4 as a leading diagonal wave 1, wave 2. Again market give us this move as a leading diagonal. Now this correction still is in play as a B and C or WX and Y. We can count this move as a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 leading diagonal wave A, wave B and wave C. So if we want to go towards the bearish side directly, we can go with this wave B towards the bearish side. If market give us this move, then we will go towards the bearish side with this wave B. But we need to refine our entry in lower time frame in 5-minute or 15-minute time frame with this impulsive move, then A, B and C. Then we will go towards the 0.22 and 0.21. We need to refine our entry from this point to this point with this stop loss. So at this point in this pair, we are looking for the next impulsive move after this wave 2. That's possible. This wave 2 still is in play. Then next impulsive move. Then we will go towards the bearish side directly with this wave B, or we need to refine our entry in lower time frame. If market cross this point and give us the pattern at this point, then we will go towards the bullish side as a wave 4, as a WXY, or as a sideways A, B, C, D, and E. That's also possible. So in this pair, we are looking for the proper impulsive move and its correction to go towards the bearish side. So let's check our last pair, Dogecoin. So in this pair, we count this structure as a black wave 1, black wave 2. Now we are looking for this move as a black wave 3. After this green wave 1 and green wave 2. So we count this structure as a 1 at this point, wave 2. Now we are looking for this green wave 3 as a inner wave 1, 2 and 3. So at this point, how we join the next move? So market give us the classic trading level pattern at this point, then market will go towards the next point. At this point, that's possible. This wave 1 and wave 2 completed, or this wave 2 may still is in play as a ABCW, acts as a triangle ABCDE. Now market may go towards the bullish side towards the 0.11, then market will go towards the bearish side. So now how we join the next move? We can go directly with this low or this inner wave B towards the bearish side. If market give us the impulsive move in lower time frame, then A, B and C, then we will go towards the bearish side with this wave B, or we can go directly with this inner wave B towards the bearish side with this stop loss. We need to refine our entry in lower time frame, or we need to follow proper stop loss and take profit. Otherwise, due to the current situation, that's possible market may go towards the bullish or bearish side with spike, sharp move. So in lower time frame, we need to refine our entry and we need to wait for the proper impulsive move and its correction to go towards the bearish side. So this is for now. We will meet again in next week. Like, share and subscribe.